Now we will see an example of exchange rate. We can assume a real life experience. Suppose that you are traveling from Dhaka to Kolkata. You have 60,000 taka with you and you are exchanging it with rupees at a rate of 1 rupees equal to 1.20 taka. Then with the rupees you received, you go to Kolkata and going there you spent 30,000 rupees and you have some money remaining. You return Dhaka with that money and you convert those rupees into taka again with an exchange rate of rupees 1 equal to 1.15 taka. Here is the fact that when you are going to buy some foreign currencies, you need to pay more, and when you are exchanging the remaining foreign currencies, then the price will be less, and the difference between two amount will be the profit of money exchange office. The final question is, after completing the whole travel, how much taka do you have in your hand? First question, you are told that 1.2 taka equals to 1 rupees. That means 1 taka equal to 1 by 1.2 rupees. 60,000 taka equal to 60,000 divided by 1.2 rupees. That means 50,000 rupees. When you exchanged your 60,000 taka, you got 50,000 rupees and you went Kolkata with that 50,000 rupees. Now you had 50,000 rupees, you expended 30,000 from it. Now 20,000 rupees were saved. So while you returned to Bangladesh, you have 20,000 rupees in your hand. In Bangladesh, you need to change those currencies into taka. This time the exchange rate is 1 rupee equal to 1.15 taka. Therefore 20,000 rupees equal to 1.15 multiplied by 20,000. That means 23,000 taka. This is our answer.